Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Niema bebree ebi a party no kra o aban no na ebi a we di on the man panin ne hye da anya adwene wo ho papa but man panin ni say we no mehwe ase na sesa meye no efi say covid ba yi aban aye bibia na nka party say party amowo aban na nka sa munya ya we di ebe mi aga na don't na ni say oye enso aye and two per briefing amanya from government ho no aban contemplate another a second option of lockdown and as a curfew and
another option of lockdown or curfew no it depending on a buying team our putting in place advice or modebema some of the figures but because contact tracing and you expect to say you funny padudo say a test you sure say coming from certain zones. There are some places in Ghana pro way as other places. Inti idea within our own plan and program. Inti for answer no be say you better lockdown biono will depend on the team normal advice and the nature of the infection, no. And they be determine whether we should do a partial lockdown or a full lockdown or whatever. And no answer there mean to me mouse CCR. Every person may criticize keke and sometimes it's important.
Oh, there be members okay. I say ebia one hour here AFS saying.
No, be say aban aye bibia. Unse ma dream pa when your parts in position. Unse your man locked down for 2 weeks no. Now because aban be ma additional 1 week.
Me kwa na me say 2 weeks.
Na me say when him say the time because additional 1 week no. We share executive instrument 64. Now and the lockdown restrictions, you know, a 1 week difference. In time, you say aban be ma additional and our president with the team, you know, be ma additional 1 week. Na akosia EI 64 no. Na just say the next week no ba or mienu ni nyina. Now we decided say may you lock down no, but measures no may to also and I may be count and I may easy no. That is my thinking clearly. Really, and a lot like you are saying, a lot of people were thinking that. But I buy share near my baby
because the entire mahoni who kakran say ye lockdown no free hona sabre nim say be contact tracing near dear baby nti ye ho beto no kwa ne ekosoro enti ebe obisa say ene lockdown ye na ye anase ye nya
David dey tin say from there ye no and yet because ye lockdown say lockdown there 2 regions all the other places no na lockdown be any enti ebe koso you understand because there ye no na ye to me the character look Abuana character no different from Ghana there and Europe there and na mayor of New York analysis of Niema was in Como ye na lessons are almost here and there was in future no avoid it. Or believe you say as somebody ba na I shall say no. What the US government did was to ban flights from China to US. But they forgot to realize say Nkofo fi one and our China ako Europe. Injomo testi omu kofo omanya COVID-19 na and a coronavirus na. European characteristics. At that time I know my buying China there no. Na nkofo na Europe there na nkofo
omo trifamba.
It is a common one in term no mo banning in at that time over 1 million omo are affected now close to 68,000 omo no go to me so never channel and almost to me analyzes so say senka abai federal government no it take holistic decision aboa almost states na nka restrictive measures are other countries like Ghana putting in place as far back as 15th March, you know. Come to me, yes, sir. Also, as we speak now, there are certain states who are a BMA and go for Eco Beach in Nema. And also a repercussion in Nema. And see, deɛ yɛtumi ayɛ no sɛbi da no na America kyerɛ sɛ du nketi asɛ obiara ni a wɔho ayie yɛ da ɛno so nkyerɛ sɛ obi ayie nyɛ friends obi o. There's no political party a manifesto ni ɔkyerɛ wɔ ne manifesto sɛ yɛto ababa in 4 years a COVID bɛba.
Is it manifesto on the end of Apejano?
Where 2016 manifesto. So, 2016 manifesto. And
say engineer or them.
Ochiro won the manifesto say COVID-19 beba. And it say COVID-19 ba. When me na me they are so no. So na me chere no. In the midst of the unknown, even as we speak now, first the Ukrainian say airborne. But and to mean travel very far. Now they are saying say it will go as far as 7 feet. It will stay in the air for 7 hours. And you know, the use of air conditioning say enya critical bia momo modern bia pon to na from acrona and circulate wadan him into wadan mu na say enya ade hu hia bebre a air condition men so ne bebre na bia ntokwa na from amfam nti say bibi kra na eba etumi pie na from afoforo abem. It's very, very important. Very, very important. I mean, yes, oh, na air condition. It don't take car, muna nipa, mumbie tokwa car ni tokwa nguo. In from air corner from into big air chain. That's a bibinia. Ebetu akwa abonten. Na and anya contaminated in a very, very enclosed area. It's important. Into unishe ya. Most of you me advise unishe ya kontra abonten. Yes, a pio. Trabonten na from amfa ho. Since overturn them now from a corner circulating around you. And frankly speaking, so far they're so good. I believe say now we shall share African countries here. Now since you are there and the president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo any African presidents in there no to home. You need to the advanced countries Nimbejes are what were taking place at Nyankupadon, Buano, because we check it, the rate at which Abuano Edinyi and our infection rate from 15th March near Tuno. A lot of countries started since almost about 50,000, 60,000. Menka said 2,600, Rana said 2,200, the papa never. Second, that's so the best 100 crown come pay. But to share the rates at which Abuano affecting comfort throughout the world. For the past 3 months, see any baby away there. Nyankopon so amanen saso because o planning I also Nyankopon a support to plan. I can tell you, the last time the kwesi adaso yede lockdown by no, the president was extremely upbeat and was in that cabinet. He realized say trend away no. Most of the virus now affecting Kofono, they are imported. And you know, I will say a close to border. Or data from the airports. Within the period. To the extent say at some point a week before, no, not close to 7,500 people about Memuha. A day before, you're close to. You take a decision, no, not nipa 1,450. But who do mean close to immediately? Because close to over quarantine, also nya baby, udiumbegu, also your modian no be ready. It was even difficult getting a hotel or hotels around because be one shape, you stigmatize the hotel, no. Say, hey, I had the COVID for go. So public spirited. Ghanaian loving people, Amuwo Hotel, some of them gave it out because I want to be for hotel and farm man in Japan. There was a bino for the entire hotel. Tinya kakra ha, konya kakra tema, and they take a decision. And they do go. Nyamia dom sanka sa infection rate and come because most of them and throughout the world globally. What they say nipa 5 no manya yare ni bia about 4 of them didn't know that they had it 4 of them. In German, 1,060 as a day, about close to 4/5 of them didn't know they had it. It's come back of fear. Now, hence, you don't be fear, bro. First one, and 2. Oh, ne irache, oh, Betty said the ire, oh, saw the ire, ne ma, Mususa, Baba, so the moon, and conform Betiano, it will fear. Also, the name about, or she shall the name of ye be innocent people. Ninsano, the best of the ache. In Casa 1,060, the president and take his hard decision at that time. In Casa say, you brought 20,000. That decision alone, and he did not stop at that decision. Occur as far back as 3rd May. Say, Omo buy ni 3rd March. Say, Omo buy ni around that time because the airport now paper o number ye tro. The True Ghana Immigration Service. Ye JSA numbers ni na, and no contact trace na ya who numbers ni ye hono. It may catch Juma. And the leadership shown by His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo there. And so we did and so catch it. And I can tell you, almost every day from the time you started COVID in Wasemu, the team we put you in place. Akufo-Bia, no, you're in charge. Ebola by ya, no go World Health Organization. You're in charge of Africa. So I'm leading Professor Ban. I'm leading COVID team, no. Almost every day there's one report or the other analyzing what is going on. Intiminia Nyankopon na boyen. Say at this time in our history, no, yenya president be a watema, yenya president be a compassion, yenya president be a care for his nation, yenya president be a dream kokai. Etumi who say Sebi economy dear, ye new patriotic party. Say a call form said then. To me, eba ne basro, but say nipa ne wua, it is going to be. Yeah, be I just end this for ne to me nyane nipa. With the economy, the omo nya there. Nipa so the omo to me nyane there, na chese nya kura. Ti omo there be omo to me nyane nipa. Yen there, ye to me nyane nipa. Economy pass. Inti point be a be fa so a. Ye de be boy home by any there. Ye be say, but we need the total support of everybody. Inti na omo here your politics now. We seem not to join them. Because Ubekaya, Abra, President Resi, lifted lockdown. I was saying, go further to let the Ghanaian people know that there's still ban on public gathering, there's still ban on funerals, there's still ban on conferences, there's still ban on outdoor events, church, mosque, football events, sporting events, and all that. The only place are not caveat Kakrawo, any private barriers. So a lot of people think that you better have a gathering, but you do 25, and you're correct. And you're correct. The only place now there is a limit to it, you know. Now private barriers President Carr say no dear. Private barriers deal to me here. When you do a besiano, and he say a bro 25. It's the say you better concentrate. Amount of 40 years say I lifted lockdown no more, partial lockdown no more there. But these things are in place. We still have to continue to ensure that there's social distance and all that. Then the NDC put President MPP4 acquire almost primary seat. God now what they nipa cry near the tell memo. Dear nipa cry near. Wasting everybody's time.
Any
NDC for you. So I see anything. Such a serious matter affecting. Look at how a country like America is kissing the earth. Look at the suffering. It's pathetic. Shamo president, you know. Look at how pathetic he is. To the extent, I say, yeah, call disinfectant. Because he used to sanitize the room, sir, and my body. The emperor ever fast, you better no sanitizer, or you better no Dettol. Yes, I saw when say heat, to me, abuano. The emperor infrared, say, you see, it tells you how pathetic and helpless the man is. Not say our president or her, no, total controller. The emperor to me, I say, you to me, wakra, but distraction, no. emboa mesramo NDC for person mu amumu beye de me gini say so de high ne say kom ko abewu anka me po de nka mpaibo na mebo amom bo mu ko nya bi o de ba affect ye gina nti I say ye nyina nti we de nya politics asem kra nti anytime bibi beba no one doing it back to distract our attention. Let us keep focus.
Could you see 1D1F or say my regards to Uncle JB David Pra, NPP's communication director in the Eastern region, says Adrian Kasia, good evening and thank you for the good job. Uncle JB, a kwano was said near you abubuano and yadubesi say platform the wow fee him say Yabesan Ababu.
Catch us there, Montan Frame.
This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.